Hi guys, I hope you're well. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple recipe how to make an oat smoothie. It is so easy and I hope you learned something from it. So I have just mixed oats, bananas and milk, and after that I went ahead to blend, and then the mixture I added it to a pot, and then on low flame I'm just going to boil it. And the idea of boiling is to let the oat cook for 3 minutes on low flame and to ensure that most of the water is evaporated. If you add peanut butter to this mixture and then take it often, it can help you gain weight, and especially if you give it to children. So here I'm just stirring to ensure that most of the water has evaporated. And guys, this is one of those smoothies that you can take in the morning and you're not going to feel hungry at any point of the day. You can also roast almonds, peanuts, and then just crush them and add them to this mixture. It will make it even tastier and healthier. So thank you for watching. That is the recipe.